Hello guys, welcome to Carton Box channel where you get the tech content information. Today we are going to see about the generative pre-trainer transformer, nothing but Chat GPT, which is going very viral. It is developed by OpenAI company which is owned by the Twitter man Elon Musk. Basically, it is answering all the questions which we ask. It's an artificial intelligence chatbot released in November 2022 by OpenAI to benefit all humanity. It's been trained on a massive dataset of text and can understand and respond to a wide range of topics. With ChatGPT, you can easily generate text for tasks like writing articles, composing mails, generating code, and even creating chatbot responses. One of the most impressive things about ChatGPT is its ability to understand the context and generate text that flows naturally. It's like having our own personal writing assistant. ChatGPT is just one of the ways that OpenAI is working to make AI more accessible and useful for everyone. We can't wait to see all the ways that people that will put ChatGPT to work. Got excited? Come on, let's check on how it works. Before that, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for instant notifications. Yeah, to try this ChatGPT, we can use a new browser. You can open a new browser and then you can type openai.com. So here, if I can open here, so here I can see the UI. So if you come down, there is something called featured options there where they have the ChatGPT. So you can click on this ChatGPT and then the UI page of this ChatGPT opens. So if you come scroll down, it's like November 30, 2022, they have released this particular ChatGPT and it's for now for the beta testing. So going forward, it will be like delivered for all the persons. So they have something like models given here. So click on this try ChatGPT. So and then you can land up on the new tab and then it will say like welcome to ChatGPT, where you have the login and the sign up page. So if you are new to this ChatGPT, you can click on the sign up. So I'm not so I have already registered for this. So I'm clicking on the login page. So here if you can go here, it's like welcome back and then it's saying like to enter the email address. So and click on this if you are not a robot. So just clicking on that the same. So and then click on the verify. Yeah, it's verified. So and then you need to click on the continue. So it's asking for me the password. So I'm just entering the password. So and it's letting me in. Yeah, so this is the UI for this ChatGPT, which is very simple. Basically a chat response, and then if you can there are multiple chats. If you are opening with the long chats, like it will be like stored here. So there is a dark one for like similarly for all the apps which is coming now. So it is just ChatGPT Jan 9 version. So and they have given some examples and limitations and capabilities where the ChatGPT can provide. So I'm just trying to write a letter, basically just testing it down with a letter. Write a letter to the bank manager to avail home loan. Yeah, so it's just a simple UI. If you click on the send button, it is just like generating the response. Yeah, it's very cool. So yeah, your name, your address, date. So yeah, it's generating dear bank manager, just the name and the address which we need to copy it, and then everything is just done. Yeah, it's very cool. It's generating the credit score as well. So perfect mail. It's writing the perfect mail. Yeah, just we need to change the name, address, and everything like first. So whenever I hit this button, it's just generating your home loan inquiry letter. So and then so if you want, if you're not interested with this or if you're not satisfied with this particular response which we generated, you can always go and click on the regenerate response. It will just give you a different type of response, which is very cool. It's not the same response which is getting generated. So yeah, so it's very cool. So moving on, so it's not only we can stick to this particular field. So it just we can just click on, like, if you're working on an IT professional, so we can just type write a Java program to add three numbers. Just a simple program I'm just typing. So yeah, to check it. Yeah, it's very cool. Yeah, you can see the it's writing the Java program. Perfect. And then it's asking me to generate to give this some value for all the three numbers. So if you can just copy paste the same code in a Java program, and if you can run it, yeah, it's in the console. You'll be getting the you need to give the response. So you need to give the inputs, and then it will generate you the response. It's a perfect Java program. So it is not about the simple program I just tried. It's just you can try it for major program. Yeah, it cannot be like 100% accurate as of now, like since they are doing the beta testing. So going forward, you can expect a lot more capability of this chat gpt. Yeah, so and another funny thing is we are like trying this in the Google browser itself, which is an opposite company, which is this one is for ChatGPT, and then that is for the Google. So maybe going forward, Google also will be coming up with this like this kind of thing. So which will be very good. Yeah. So it just simply save the time. So for the human. So and going forward, there will be many IT jobs laying off will happen because of this ChatGPT as well. So that is one of the end. So and then let's write a script. Write a script to write a script about friendship. Yeah, maybe we can use this. Yeah, it's just generating that one as well. So it's a perfect tool for this. We can use it in multiple ways. In a positive ways, we can if you can use it, you can earn money as well. So at the same time, it's just reducing our work. So we should appreciate this Chat GPT team coming up with a solution. So soon we can expect many things which we can the perfect version which we can expect, and then it will be very useful for the people as well. If you want to learn more tech-related information like this, please subscribe to Carton Box channel and press the bell icon for instant notifications. Thank you.